Yes, good morning mga lakwachera. Ito na naman, time for bargain hunting. So, andito tayo sa Deal Digger Bean Store sa Jacksonville, Florida, adjacent to RD International Market. So, Friday, $15 per item. Saturday, $12 per item. So, pumunta kami ng Friday, then bumalik kami ng Saturday. So, maganda rin yung mga early bird because they said one was able to buy like a tablet for $15 and a high-end robo vacuum cleaner. So, yan, ang goal for today is to search for an item that is around, at least, online price would be around $30 and up because it's $15 today. So, at least para good deal. Yep. So, lahat naman tayo may iba-ibang needs, no? And wants. So, I was looking for something like gardening and fishing stuff. But mostly they're like for hygiene, toys, chargers, mga iPhone cables, mga beauty products. So let's see. Talaga ang hanap ko at least yung mga at least $50 to $100 if I can find it. Yep. Ito. That's like around $30. Yep. Maybe $20, maybe $19 online. Yep. No more toys for me. Malalaki na yung mga kids. So I'm just looking really for a yung mga Oral-B, mga flosser and dental pick kasi nasa ano yun, $100 and up, especially sa mga dental clinics. Yung iba naman kasi pwede mong balikan na if you wanna go back, $2 sa Thursday. Yep. Kung nandyan pa sila. Pero I don't think i-display ng owner ang item na mahalin for just $2. Maybe they're gonna keep it. So, kaya mas maganda rin pumunta every Friday because yung items nila ay yung mga new arrivals.
Meron ako makita doon, 2 bed.
Sa Thursday sila nagpapalit. So, they're only open between 9 o'clock to 2 o'clock p.m. And then they're gonna organize their stuff. And then for Friday, $15. Parang new items na siya. So, magandang pumunta ng Friday, $15 per item. And then, Thursday, $2 per item. See kung ano yung mga natira. Yeah, those, yep. These are open items. Some are, returned. Yung iba may missing parts. So, you have to really like, check your items. May testing area naman sila kung nag-work. So, yan. Nakakapagod din. So, every bean, i-check mo talaga.
Ay na naman baka mas maganda.
Tapos, sometimes, they open boxes and dump it again. So, balik ka na naman just to make sure kung ano yung item na bago. So, yan. Kasama ko ang aking mother. Maganda rin therapy to. Na-exercise ka at the same time you save a lot. Huwag lang maging, hoarder. Kasi, just get the items that you really, really will use. Actually, this is good for, Filipinos, especially nagpapadala ng mga balikbayan boxes. and online resellers, you know, like especially those unopened boxes. So mostly naman yung mga namimili I see na chine-check nila yung online price. Sinesearch nila like what I did. And then ito na yung mga nabili ko. Yeah, mostly mga ano, yan, yung mga Oral-B, napakamahal niyan. See? $79, $99 for 15. Yeah, $119 for $15. This one is $100, this headphone. This one mga nasa yan, $79, $15. So I really have to look for the exact item. This is for my kids. Yeah. Yan, $64. Imagine that. Ito. Yeah, good. So you see, these are the times, business hours. Then nakakapagod, then adjacent to it is an RD International Market. So, you know, like, it's like an Asian grocery store. At the same time, meron silang restaurant, mini restaurant. There you go. Nakakahilo ng maghanap. But at least, we did save a lot. So we'll go back on $2 deal.